Hello, and today it's time for a lift/elevator tour in the Skyworld Entertainment Centre in Queen Street, Auckland. This was a real good place over the years until COVID-19, which caused a downfall to the place unfortunately. Things did not heal after, and lots of places are abandoned currently. Anyways, let's start the lift tour. We start off with a Kone monospace with KDS fixtures that has been modernized by Schindler for more vandal-resistant friendly Dewhurst buttons, and it's been converted into a glass lift as well, which is nice. This is in the Civic car park, and unfortunately this was broken when I went, so oh well, there is next time. The next lifts are in the same car park, but instead of opening up into AOTS Square, they open up into Skyworld. These are Otis Gen 2 MRLs, and proper Gen 2s by the way, not the regen style. People say the indicators are cheap because they can't display B1, B2, P3. So it looks like the lift is going up, but it's actually going down. Anyways, let's ride them. Now we walk inside to the centre, but before we ride the conventional lifts, there is an abandoned Vesner platform lift in the former Burger King area. That's closed off, and there's no way I can access this lift. Now we go into our first conventional lift in the Sky World Entertainment Centre, and it's the best lift in the entertainment centre. It's a Kone monospace with Kone M series, and it's shaped like a rocket. Wow. So I either call this the rocket lift or the main lift. And it's also scenic as expected. I really like it though. My favorite lift of the whole center. Anyways, let's ride this awesome lift. This next lift is not the easiest to access because it's pretty risky, because you can't access it through the food court on level 1 anymore since the food court's like completely gutted. And the only way you can access it is if you go to take the escalator up to level 3, walk through Event Cinemas, well, near Event Cinemas actually, and then call the lift from there. So this is another Kone Monospace MRL from 1999 with Novel Elements indicators and Kone M series buttons. Anyways, let's ride this. Oh yeah, by the way, there's a little dash glitch between 3 and 4. I do not know what that's about. And finally, we finish off with the main service lift at the center. This is also a public lift that for access is between the two Game On arcade levels. This is a Kone M series hydraulic lift, glass lift actually, that the floor indicators are burned out and everything was locked. However, I got called down to basement 2, and which was one of the abandoned floors, and I had to go back up in the rocket to go where I was supposed to be.